Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in ClickUp. If you've been working on organizing your workspace and realize you have columns you no longer need, this quick process will help you clean up your view and keep everything streamlined. First, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account where your workspace is located, as this is where we'll be making the changes. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On your panel, look for the option labeled Spaces and click on it. This section displays all the different spaces you've created within your workspace. Each space can contain multiple lists and views, so take a moment to identify the specific space where the column you want to delete is located. Once you've found it, click on that space to open it up. Now that you're inside the selected space, the next step is to navigate to the list view. Click on List to access the detailed view of your tasks and columns. This is where all your custom fields and columns are displayed, and it's the area where you'll be able to manage them directly. With the list view now open, take a look at the columns displayed across the top of your task list. These columns represent different fields or data points you've added to organize your tasks. Select the specific column you want to remove. To do this, right-click directly on the name of the column. A context menu will pop up, giving you several options for managing that field. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Delete Field and click on it. This action will remove the column entirely from your list view. Keep in mind that deleting a field is permanent, so make sure you're certain you no longer need the data stored in that column before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a column in ClickUp, helping you keep your workspace tidy and focused on what matters most. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.